welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I took these IKEA nightstands that I thrifted and turned them into some beautiful white nightstands. I got them for about 20 bucks for both of them. They are originally from IKEA. They are in such great shape and they had the perfect amount of space for me and my husband. So if you're interested in seeing how I turn this into some gorgeous nightstands, keep watching, subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. First, I'm taking an electric sander and I'm going to sand down both nightstands. This is pretty easy. You can go to your local hardware store to get both a sander and the sander sheets. Guys, let me mention, it took me a couple days to do this because it kept raining in California. Okay, so it is now another day. This is about my second day working on the nightstands. As you can see, I have got them all sanded down pretty good. Now I'm just taking a hand sander and kind of going over the things that I missed with the electric sander, and I'm getting in spots that I couldn't reach with the electric sander as well. Okay, now I'm just taking a vacuum and I have it set to where it blows instead of sucks. So I'm just kind of taking the vacuum and I'm blowing off any dust or residue or anything that might be left from me sanding the nightstands. While I worked on the nightstands, my kids were outside enjoying the nice California weather. So I noticed while I was working on the nightstands that one of them had a crack at the top. So I'm gonna take this wood glue and I'm gonna seal that right on up. That way, if there's any spills or anything on the nightstand, it will not seep through. I'm just taking a Q-tip to do that. And it is super easy, guys. So don't panic if you do have a crack in a project that you're doing. It is super simple and easy to cover up. Now it is time to paint. I went to Target and I grabbed a foam roller paint set, and then I went to my local Home Depot and I got this white primer. Since I'm going with the color white anyways, I don't need to buy a separate paint since the primer is already white and it's a primer. When I first got the nightstands, I was going to repaint them black, but I was like, let me do them white since my entertainment center in my bedroom is white. I kind of wanted to, you know, keep it with my black and white theme that is going on in my room. It was getting a little windy, so I went inside to grab my hoodie, y'all. As y'all can see, it is windy in California. At this point, I was thinking to myself, I am never going to get done with this because, guys, I had to take a break. I had to eat. I had to take care of my kids. I had to do work. So if you're doing this, just know that it is a little time consuming, but it's so worth it in the end. As you can see, guys, it is now day 3. It is still windy in California, but I was determined to get these nightstands done today. I am finally finished painting the nightstands. I moved inside because it was getting kind of dark outside, but now I'm going to take this contact paper that I got from the dollar store just to get rid of that yellow contact paper that's on the inside. This is totally optional. I just wanted to give both of the nightstands like a whole new look. Oh my god, y'all, this is the part I've been waiting to show y'all. Look at these bomb knobs I got from freaking Marshalls. They was on sale for $8. They look so cute. So let's screw these on and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, this is the finished look. Oh my god, look at them. They look so good. They look so beautiful. I'm so proud of myself. Like, look at them, guys. They look nothing like they did before. I am so freaking proud of myself. It took me a couple days to do this and I absolutely love the way they turned out. Like, look at the knobs. The knobs look so good. And then y'all seen me do a little haul on my Marshalls, and that is where the lamp came from, and I just think it looks so beautiful. This is my husband's side and he loves it as well. We have so much storage and I just think it gives our room like the perfect touch. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and if you love videos like this, let me know down in the comments. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.